We have a 3rd gen 2015 Honda Fit here, and we're going to be replacing the air filter. It is a super simple job. I've already got the hood popped, and basically no tools are needed. You just will turn these little paddle plastic pads to the side like that, and they'll leave. So just like that, take all these guys off. This right here is your mass airflow sensor, but you don't actually even need to take that off. You can just move this stuff up into the side. And this is the old air filter, which we can take out by just putting our finger right there and lifting up. And then you can see how there's some dirt and stuff in this guy. And then this is our new air filter right here, to flip it the right way. But that's what it looks like, a lot cleaner. And so we just pop this thing right in there, put all this stuff back in the way we had it. So we can make sure that this hose goes around here and into there. Make sure that thing sits in right, and then we just go around like that. So make sure you flip this pad on, flip that on, and I'll do a little cross pattern just to make sure we get even compression. That guy on, that guy, and this guy. So that's all there is to it. Didn't need to take out any wires or cables, and didn't even take 2 minutes. So thanks for watching.